Hello everyone, welcome you all in the live session. So today's live session is really very interesting. And as you all know that our Chandrayaan 3 that nowadays we call it as Vikram is launched successfully. So that's why we are deciding why not we are also celebrating this thing, and we can create something that gives our gives us a feeling to proud, and I can't express my happiness after that. It was a very soft landing on the moon, and yes, we are on the moon, so that's why I can't control my happiness, and that's why I decided to put the live session based on this topic. And this is going to be very interesting topic. So let's wait for all of the students to join us. Hi Arush, how are you? Nice to see you in the live session. So let's wait for 2-3 minutes, and then we will start uh, like making our things. And the things that we require for making, I will send you as a resource. Like I'll share you as always in the chat box. You can directly take out the links from there, and let's wait for 2-3 minutes, then we will start, because it's a very good topic, and I want all of you will enjoy with this live session. So just wait, and then we'll start. So let me introduce you the things that we need for making this. Is one that you want some sound like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 launching sound. And of course, without clapping, this mission is not successful, because we need to appreciate um, what our scientist does, and it's really a big thing for India. So we want one rocket that's going to launch, and one uh, like that Chandrayaan 3, and like how the landing happens on the moon. So that's also we want. So we have two pictures here. I will share a link with you. Let me share a link one by one to all of you. So first, I'm sharing a link for the sound, like for the music. This you can download. Let me share. So this is the one link. This you need to upload in the libraries, okay? So yeah, I'm just sharing the links. I have without backdrop files that you need to have. These all files you need to download before starting with the session, because it will be very difficult otherwise to search the files and to do all the things. Okay, can anybody tell me what's the date when our landing happens on Chandrayaan, on moon? So please reply in the chat box. Till then, I'm sharing a document with you all. Anyone guess the date? Okay, so I have sent all of the documents. Now I'm going to show you what we are going to make actually. So I'm sharing a screen with you all. Let me full screen that. And let me share sound also with the screen. Yeah, so I am going to start, and you have to notice small details with the project because I'm going to ask you the questions in between the session. Let's start.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So here, it's not still complete. I have to complete this, like we will be making this, okay? So the starting will be that, like the launching part, and at the end, what is going to happen, this yarn will just, gliding down on the surface of moon, and this part is going to just away from the lender. Okay, so I'm just stop sharing my screen and let's start making this. I hope you all have done with the documents and everything. Yeah, so let me share a new tab with all of you. I think my screen is visible to all. Let me stop share and share it again. Please reply if it is visible to all of you. So what we are going to do first is that I'm going to delete this one, and I need to take my sprites. So first I will take my all the sprites that needed. You can take the pictures that I have sent you there. So here I took my 2 pictures. Okay. And now what next is I want to make a backdrop with the moon, and I also want to write something I'm going to write that you can write whatever you want to write, but I'm going to write congratulations India, August 20, 2023, because this happens on August 20, 2023. That's what I'm going to write over here. So I'm just coming here and just click on paint option, and in the costume I will go to T part, text part, and I will do that. Now what I'm going to do is I will change it to this one, and I will take this here, and now that's fine. And let me check if I have any appropriate backdrop for this. So I will take this light backdrop over here, and this should be here. Okay, I position this and this. I'm not positioning this rocket right now. So what I should do here is first I will move it to back screen, because I want to animate this, that this thing is going to animate from left side of the screen to the right side. So slowly I'm just going to move it here. And what I will do is that when green flag click, then I'm going to show this part, and this part is going to glide little bit. So I'll go to motion and I will take a glide block, and then glide little bit more, and then glide more, and it will be here, and little bit down, so it will be here. So see, what happens is it starts from this point and coming to this point, but it has to start from the starting point. So you need to define go to X and Y as well. So the starting point will be this. I'm just taking the starting point, this one. And now I'm going to start again. See, on the full screen, you can see. So this is my one part. Now the next part is I will move this to here. And before that, I also need to costume this one. So I will come to the costume for Vikram. And what I need to do is that I'm going to duplicate this sprite. And I will fetch this satellite from Vikram. So I'm just taking this out. I will do copy. I will come of making a new sprite and I'm doing paste. Now what I will do, I'll zoom in little bit and I need to delete the small things. So I will do convert bitmap. Then I will select the eraser and I'm going to delete. Everyone, if I'm little fast, then you can pause the video, you can go back and then you can check what I am doing here. Okay. So this is what is happening. Okay, that's fine. And this is fine, I guess. Okay, that's absolutely fine. And now I can zoom out. So this part is done. I'll come over here and what next part I'm going to do is that this is the one part and second part I want that this should be the same part like this one. So what I will do is I'll simply just fetching this part. I'll do copy, I'll do paste and I'm just moving it to above here. Okay, and it should be a little bit like this way and it's like this way. Okay, now I'll do copy paste. I'm moving it little bit down so that it looks like that this is blank and nothing is here, and I'll do copy paste again. Okay, I will do undo because I did copy paste that part. So I'll do copy paste again for this part and I'm just moving it little bit down like this way क्योंकि उसमें ना वहां पे थोड़ी सी lining I can see. So this is the blank one and this is where I have my satellite. Now what next is I will go here and I will hide this one and this one, the rocket also. So what I will do is I will take when green flag click, I'll go to the looks part and I will hide it. And the same thing I will do with this. I'll go to here and I will hide this part as well. Okay, so let me run. Fine. Now what next is that my Vikram will be here. My Chandrayaan 3 will be here. So what I will do is that I will go to event and I will say that when green flag click, the go to X and Y position will be this. As I told you number of times that go to X and Y is defining the position of any sprite. Okay, so here it is defining the position of my sprite only. And let me check if all of you have joined and doing it or not. Yeah, okay, you all are doing, that's great. So what is the next part we want is, let's come back to this part. Okay, so that's what I have made till now. This is the go to X and Y and now it has to move. So it will move little bit here and then I will use glide. As you all know that if I want to glide something, position something, you know, so it will take a time and just gliding it self here. So I think this is great. Let me check. This is absolutely fine. What next is congratulations, India, August 20, 2023. After this, I want that it will generate a broadcast. So I want that here, it should wait for some second. Then I want to generate a broadcast. Here I will write a message launch because here my rocket is going to launch. I'll make a launch broadcast, and when this happens, also we need to set the backdrop initially, right? So I will simply take switch backdrop to light, and when launch I'm receiving, then I will go to event and I will take like when I receive launch, when backdrop, no, it's a broadcast, so I will take when I receive launch, then I will show my sprite. But this time I need to rotate my sprite. So what I will do is I'll select completely and I will do the rotation. I also want to make changes with the costume. So let me check. This is fine. This is fine. And let me check if it is on the line. Okay, this is absolutely fine. I will change with the costume. So I'll do duplicate. I will do duplicate because I want to add some animation, like it should look like that something is moving or something is happening. I will click on convert to bitmap. Now I will select this. I will select the fill color and I will make the combination of two colors. I will combine two colors with each other. So the first color I'm taking this one, and the second color I'm taking little bit yellow. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I will simply take this one, but ये वाला थोड़ा सा reddish ले लेते हैं जिससे एक अच्छा impact आएगा. Okay. Now I'm just making it. So I'm just making small circles जिससे थोड़ा impact आए कि हाँ कुछ हो रहा है, something is happening. फिर उसके बाद I'm coming over here and I'm just making circles, लेकिन थोड़ा सा बाहर निकले हुए circles मुझे बनाने हैं. I'm just making it like this way. I think this is absolutely fine. मतलब थोड़ा अच्छा impact मेरे रॉकेट पे पड़ेगा. Okay. And इधर थोड़ा सा it's like that. So if I change 1, 2, 3, but ये ना कुछ ज्यादा ही ऐसा सा लग रहा है. तो हम क्या करते हैं, इसको अभी मैं डिलीट करती हूँ. I'm just doing duplicate of it and I will make it closer. Like छोटे drops I want to make, but थोड़ा सा close हम इसको बनाते हैं. ठीक है. I think this is fine. 1, 2, 3. तो ये थोड़ा impactful रहेगा. अभी what next I want to do is कि I want to make one simple lines onto this, जिससे एक इफेक्ट जो है वो आए. तो यहाँ तो नहीं, बट कन्वर्ट टू वेक्टर हम करते हैं एंड आई विल पिक अ लाइन. अब ये लाइन जो है that I'm taking this color line, ऐसा वाला. ठीक है. And what I'm doing is I'll just put it here and the outline I'll make it as 18 and I'll select this line and here I will write 18. तो ये थोड़ी बड़ी लाइन लग रही है आई थिंक, या एंड इसको थोड़ा सा अंदर सेंटर्ड करेंगे ऐसे ऐसे. ओके. एंड सेम आई विल डू लाइक इसको सिलेक्ट करेंगे यहाँ से एंड डू कॉपी पेस्ट. फिर इसको हम ऐसे करके मूव कर देंगे सेकंड में. फिर पेस्ट करेंगे, इसको भी मूव कर देंगे ऐसे. ठीक है. फिर पेस्ट करेंगे, इसको भी मूव कर देंगे ऐसे. अब ये लाइंस जो है ये थोड़ी सी छोटी होनी चाहिए, लाइक इट शुड बी स्मॉलर. तो इसको हम ऐसे स्मॉल कर देते हैं. ठीक है. इसको भी हम ऐसे स्मॉल कर देते हैं. हम थोड़ा सा इफेक्ट बना रहे हैं और कुछ नहीं. ओके. तो अभी ये लाइन का कलर ठीक है. दिस लाइन ऑल्सो आई विल टेक सम थोड़ा ऐसा सा color. Okay, then I will select this one and I will take ये वाला color and then I will select this and I will take little bit this one. वैसे ना ये बहुत ही hot लग रही है, हटा ही देते हैं इनको. Let's leave them. I'm just doing undo. Don't do that. That's fine. ऐसे ही अच्छा लगता है. ठीक है. Now what next is I'll go to the block section. When I receive the launch, तो I need to change the backdrop और मुझे वो backdrop बार बार change करना है. I need to change it again and again. तो I will take space backdrops, but I will take some space backdrops only. So what I will do, I will first take a backdrop, मतलब जहाँ से landing होनी चाहिए, तो I'll take this one. फिर उसके बाद I'm taking the another space backdrop, तो I will take this one. Then again, I want to take a backdrop for the space. So I'm going to space and I will take this backdrop. Then again, I want space backdrop, so I will go to space again and I will take this backdrop. Then again, I want a backdrop for the space and I will take galaxy as a backdrop. So how many backdrops I took is, I'll go to backdrops. Let me count. This one I'm going to delete. So this was my first one. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five backdrops it is going to change. ठीक है. अभी what I will do is we'll go to the back इधर. तो यहाँ पर क्या हुआ, like when I received the broadcast, तो what I want कि जब मैं broadcast receive करती हूँ, I want to hide this, मतलब मुझे ये hide करना है विक्रम. So I'm just hiding this and यहाँ पर this text also I'm going to hide. So when I receive launch, I will hide this text. Okay, that's fine. Now what I will do is I'll just maximize it and let's see. So, 1 minute. But ये तो आया ही नहीं, तो I think मैंने इसको show नहीं किया था initially. Yes, you need to show that also. ठीक है? Let's run this. Okay, तो इतना आने के बाद में क्या होगा, like it will wait for some seconds, 2 seconds, उसको 3 seconds wait करा लेते हैं, like it should be visible as well. इसके बाद when I receive launch, तो आपका जो backdrop है that will switch to the backdrop जो आपका इसके just next होगा. तो this is a space, so it will be space. So the backdrop will change to the space backdrop. And I want to resize this, so I will make the size as 50 and I'm just giving it a position this one. मैं इसको यहाँ पे position दे रही हूँ. So what I will do is कि the go to x and y will be this. तो इसमें what I am doing, there is a new concept for you all. Some of you may know this concept. This is my rocket and I want that this should change its x every time, because every time the backdrop is going to change and the x is going to change, but y remains, sorry, y is going to change, but x remains same. At this point, when I start the position, when I give it a position, तो y मतलब जो position है वो यहीं से start होनी चाहिए. इसका मतलब y तो आपका same रहेगा इसी point पे, लेकिन वो x पे अपनी position change कर सकता है. Like y यही है, but it can start from this, it can start from this, it can start from this position, it can start from this position. As you all know, if we are making a changes with left and right, it means this is a x I'm changing. Okay, so x I want random and y will be same when it is taking initial position, जब वो अपनी शुरुआती position ले रहा है. Okay, so what I will do is I will go to operators and I will pick random from here. So if I'm moving this here, let me remove this all. If I'm moving my rocket ship here, then I can see what is x. The x is minus 223. So here I will write minus 223. Now I will move my rocket ship here and I will see what is the y right now. So the y I can see is, sorry, the x I can see here is minus, 179. 179. Oh my God. Okay, I forgot to write here. And this will be minus 196 right now. So I am writing minus 196. So my rocket will change its position on x initially, but y is same. Every time, see, when I click on it, see, every time it is changing x, but y is same. Now what next is? The next part I want is repeat until. I will take a block, repeat until. In this, what I'm going to do, repeat until this is my y. Abhi, I'm moving it. Slowly I'm moving it. So this is my y. ये मेरा y है. ठीक है? Here my y position is 204. अब अगर मैं इससे भी ऊपर मूव करती हूँ उसको, तो basically 204 से ज्यादा ही जाएगी. It will be above than 204. So what I will do is कि my rocket will be moving upwards until the number will be greater than 200. Okay, so that's why I'm putting repeat until. Now I will go to operators and I will take this greater than block. So what I will write is, I will write the y position will be greater than, oh sorry, it's a less than. So I will take greater than. It will repeat y position will be greater than 200. तो ये चीज जो कंडीशन है वो रिपीट होती रहेगी जब तक कि y कंडीशन जो है वो 200 से ज्यादा नहीं हो जाती. ठीक है? तो what I will do, what is going to repeat? I will change y by 10. मैं y को 10 से change करूंगी. See what is happening. इसको रन करते हैं जरा. This is the one part. Now this is the second part. ठीक है? ये concept, this is very important to understand. Okay, like initially I give the position to my rocket ship here. Now my rocket is moving upward until the y position will be greater than 200. Right now you can see the y position is 203 and it stops there because I put the condition over here. This is a conditional statement. So this condition works. If condition meet, it will stop automatically. So my condition is true, means y position is greater than 200. It is 203. That's why my rocket ship stopped there, means nothing is happening whatever the command I give. Okay, now what I want is कि अगर y position ज्यादा हो जाती है तो मुझे ये रॉकेट शिप दोबारा से यहीं से चाहिए, इसी पोजीशन से वापस जाता हुआ दिखना चाहिए. ठीक है? जो go to x and y I am taking from the beginning. So what I will do, I'll go to controls and I will take if conditional statement. If I will go to operators and I will take less than block this time. So I will put the same condition that if y position is now less than 200, अगर y position जो है वो less than 200 है, Oh, नहीं, the same condition we have to put. तो अगर y position greater than 200 है, y position will be greater than 200, तो उसको वापस आ जाना चाहिए अपनी पोजीशन पे. It should come back to its original position, that is this one. अब देखो, see what is happening. So it reaches, when the y value is more than 200, it will come back and then it's moving again. Come back, moving again. Come back, moving again. This happens just because of the condition. I'll stop this. Now what I want is that with this, it is also going to change its costume. So I will take next costume as well. So see, wow, this looks amazing. See, this is giving great effect, right? And instead of 10 will be more numbers, I will make 7. Okay, you can manage the numbers accordingly. Now what I want is that the backdrop is also going to change. Let me check. But no, not here. The backdrop will change if the y position is greater than 200. Okay. Means when it is taking the second turn, तो मुझे दिखाना है that the sceneries, the behind backdrop is going to change. My rocket is now to the different positions and different places. Okay. Now what I will do is that when I want my this rocket to be stopped, I will say that when I press a space key, my rocket will stop there. Okay. So what I will do is I will take again a condition. If I will go to sensing and I will take key pressed. So key space pressed. So if space key pressed, then stop all. Everything will be stopped. And abhi, I will take the backdrop, a moon backdrop. And this moon backdrop, we will take, like we will go to costume, we will go to backdrop, and सबसे नीचे मून बैकड्रॉप आएगा, ये वाला. इसको यहाँ से लेते हुए आपको सबसे ऊपर ले जाना है, like थोड़ा सा इधर ले जाओ, then you will move it above. This will be my first backdrop, very first backdrop. ठीक है. So what I will do is, I think यहाँ पे you have set up the backdrop, and when you press the space key, then the backdrop, switch backdrop to be moon. And when I receive moon, जब आप moon receive करोगे, that you are on the moon, then I will hide this rocket. I don't want this rocket now, so I will hide this here. Okay, now let's see what is happening over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and stop. So when I press the space key, then you can see there is a moon backdrop. It means it is on the moon. And now I want my Chandrayaan 3 will launch on the moon, will, land on the moon gradually and slowly. Okay, because we always wanted that our landing should be very slow and easy. Okay, so what next is, like when I receive the backdrop as moon. So I'm taking when I receive, the backdrop. When the backdrop switches to moon, I will show. Okay, show, but this will not be the position. This is the position. Okay. And here I will make another costume. I will make duplicate of it, and I want to remove this thing from here because I want a plain thing, and this one also I will remove, delete this. I'll just do this, and I will do copy this, paste this, and I'm just moving it here like this way, and this way. Okay, I'll do convert to vector and just, acha, okay. So what I can do is, I will make one line over here, like this way, okay, and this outline should be red color. Okay, that's fine. And I will erase this thing. और ये नहीं, convert to bitmap करके ही होगी. I need to erase this thing. Okay, and what I will do, I'll just snap this out like this one. I will do copy paste, and I'm just moving it here, and I will do it like this. I think this is absolutely fine, right? So this is my first one. At the time of blending, I will come to the block section. Let me change, switch backdrop, switch costume also. Okay. So if I go to costume, this will be Vikram. So the costume, it's Vikram only. And when the backdrop is, so it will be moon. And now here, switch costume to Vikram 3. And the position here should be go to X and Y. Now it's moving down a little bit. Let me change the costume. Okay. So it's moving down. So I will take a glide block. Then it is moving down. I will take a glide block. It will be moving down gradually, slowly, and yes. And yes, it will be moving down and it will be settled then. So it will be here. After that, it will switch the costume. The costume will be Vikram 2, I guess. Vikram 2, this one. Okay. And then it will wait for some time, suppose 0.5 seconds. Then switch costume to Vikram. And afterwards, it will also wait for some time. That will be 0.5 seconds. And again, it will switch costume to Vikram 2. And then I will make a broadcast for my sprite 2. So I am going to event and I will make a broadcast. And this broadcast will be for sprite 2. And now it will be when I receive sprite 2, you will show this. Okay, where it will be here. So go to X and Y. Then it will move little bit, glide. It will move little bit, glide. It will move more, glide. It will move, glide. And now point in direction. So point in direction 90 it is. If I make it 0, so this is more, तो इसको थोड़ा सा इधर 60. ठीक है, this is good. So point in direction 60 and we'll glide. And then point in direction 180, I guess. 180 ज़्यादा हो गया. I think 60 is fine. So 60 is fine. Okay, let's check if it is working fine or not. Let's start. So when this happens, why it is not gliding down? When I receive and switch backdrop to moon, एक मिनट, when I space की press to stop all है ना, तो यहाँ पे हम करेंगे stop this script, not stop all. Because if you are doing stop all, तो ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है. Now what I will do is I want a sound. I give you the sound files initially. You can take that sound files. So I will come over here and I will take the sound. तो हम जाते हैं desktop पे. We'll go like I'm taking it from my desktop. You can take from your links I provided to you. So it's a female microphone sound. This one.
10,
Let me share my screen with the sound. So I think
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
And later, once this is done, then I also want the sounds of clapping. So when the moon sprite is when the backdrop switch to moon, when backdrop switches to moon, I want the clapping sound. So I will just upload this one also. Let me upload the sound, clap sound, open that. Okay, see. Okay, so let's start. Oh my God. Okay, let's start. Hey, where is my sound? I think I did not put that yet. So let me take the sound now. When green flag click, I want the sound to be played. This one. Got it? Let's start.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Hey, I want clap sound also. Why it is not coming? Let me check. Let me check. Oh, I think I did not give the sound to the clap. Okay, let's give the sound. Makes it conference clapping. That's cool. And also I want one last thing. The last thing that we are going to write, I'm going to write is, congratulations, you are on the moon. So congratulations, India is on the moon. Yay! And this I want to show. And here it will be and ting, 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 ting. Oh, this is very big. Ting. Okay. Okay. And ooh, that's so nice. It's so cool. Okay, I'm just moving it here and it should be here. So this happens is like when green black-legged, I don't want to show this. I want to show this at the end only. I want to hide this up. And when this all happens, then I will make a broadcast. I will make a broadcast. So here I will make a broadcast in between. Okay, yahan pe. And sprite 3 it is. Why it is? Oh, I have to make a broadcast. Sprite 3, see my excitement level. Okay, so it will be like this. And when you receive the broadcast as sprite 3, so when I receive sprite 3, then I want to show this and it will glide little bit this side. It will glide little bit this side. And it will be to this position. And this will be for repeating 10 times. Let's start now, everyone. Ooh.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Woo, congratulations. India is on the moon, everyone. You can write it also. India is on the moon. You can write in the comment section. So this was our project that we made. And let me explain you the things we made here. First thing, I took my Vikram. Like as you all know that our Chandrayaan 3, we called it name as Vikram. Now we have the rocket ship to launch from, from the Earth to the moon. So it will show us the journey. Then third one is you have to say, like I display that when this is going to happen. Fourth thing is you have that satellite, this drop on the moon that gives us the information about moon, like what's there, what's not. And at the end, it says that your launching is done and it's a soft landing. So congratulations. So everyone, I hope you like this project. Let me run this again.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Yeah, that's done. So Tanishka is asking which scratch is this. Tanishka, this website name is pictoblocks.ai, the same way you can do on Scratch. Okay, it's exactly like Scratch. You can make this same project on the Scratch and the way of making is same. So everyone, I hope you all enjoy this session and it's really interesting session as well. It gives you the knowledge. It will also help you to participate in certain competitions. If you are participating in at school level competitions, you can definitely present this project because this topic is new and I think no video is available on YouTube regarding this topic. So you can definitely find this project very helpful for any competition level purpose. And if you are beginner, then it's also good for you, because it provide a knowledge, as well as it gives you the animation ideas, it gives you the position ideas, and how you can make or move your sprites again and again from one position to another position. This is very important. You can modify this project accordingly. Whatever you wish to add, whatever you wish to delete, you can definitely do that. And of course, your teacher is going to ask you the questions. This is for our school students. They will ask you the question related to the projects, whatever we have done, whatever you have learned through the live sessions. So they have the gift hamper, and I guess many of you will get it also. So you will get that. And from our live session, students, those are watching our live session, they can send whatever the projects we have done, whatever the modifications you have done related to the project on Instagram. You can take the screenshot of your project, whatever you have made. If it is very good and interesting, then we can share this on our story, and we will have something for you if you are a very active user for us. So just make a stories and put the stories on Instagram. You can ask your parents, you can tag us, and for any query related to any kind of coding, we are not providing coding to younger ones. We are also providing coding to the elder ones as well. So any kind of course, if you want, if you wish to learn, you can directly connect with us, and we have the blogs for every lesson. So that blogs you will find in the description. And yeah, everyone, enjoy that. We will meet you in the next live session. Bye-bye.